Well, here we are, Lakeland, Florida. Got my airplane tied down. Didn't bore you with the details of tying an airplane down. Anybody can do that. But we're out here in home built parking, way at the end of the world. But as you can see behind me there, lots of airplanes here today. Sun's peeking back out. People probably get that VFR arrival back in here. But in just a minute, we'll take a walk in, and I'm just going to put my camera on and just walk around as if we're walking around the show together. So, well, let's walk in. I got my wristband, paid for my admissions, and now we can walk in and take a look at the show and see what's here. A lot of beautiful home builts out here to my left. We've got, you name it, and it's here. Vans, RVs, RV4s, 6s, 8s, tricycle gear, Zenith 301 or 300, whatever that is, Lancers, retractable, RV10s. Just seeing a little bit of everything out here today. Over on the runway we got T6s from Aero Shell Oil taking off, 2x2. They did a beautiful air show yesterday, but I'm sure they'll do it today. I really enjoy that show, the tight formation with the smoke. I appreciate that more than anything. Here we have a beautiful Grumman Mallard. What a nice airplane. Well, right over here we've got a few airplanes. To my left, looks like an RV8. Got a Mustang over there. Got a Glass Air, High Wing, another RV. Here is a Velocity. 4-place. Canard, pretty fast airplane, all composite. RV10, the black and red one, white or black and white with the red stripe. Glass Air 2, and then a newly completed RV10. Passing Comanche Village. Bunch of Comanche airplane owners. They all fly in every year, park in the same spot, camp together. Pretty interesting. A lot of camaraderie in aviation, people of all backgrounds, and big pilgrimage to come to Thru Sun N Fun every year. Camp out and hang out. Took off right behind me. Here behind me we've got the new Pipistrel electric airplane. Let's go check it out. Quicksilver aircraft. This is about the lightest flying that you can do. When I was a young Army aviator, I cut my teeth on these airplanes. This was a lot of fun. Some of the most fun flying I've ever done. Super light, very easy to build, and absolutely there's nothing more fun. The visibility spectacular. It's like riding a motorcycle in the sky. Just cruising around, smelling the grass being cut, and enjoying life. And here's an M-squared aircraft. Paul Mather owns this business. It's a certified light sport airplane. Went through the certification process, so you can buy this and have a lot of fun flying this airplane. section. This will be cool. Love warbirds. Always love them. Got to get in with a P-51. There you go. Absolutely awesome. P-40 Warhawk, one of my favorite warbirds. Navy Sky Raider here. Selfie with an F-4U. Get past that. What a great airplane. Light sport seaplane. That's what Dave would like to have. I need to win the lottery first though. That thing is beautiful. Amazing. Look at that landing gear. That is beautiful. Absolutely magnificent looking airplane. Ah, I love Sun N Fun. Airplanes, airplanes, airplanes. Well, here we have some more pipistrels. Here's the Pipistrel Patera. I will be bringing you a flight review on this airplane in the next few weeks, so you have to stay tuned for that.
Wait till next. It's press to your flight. It costs a lot of money and a lot of time to certify the airplane. No one wears
Can't wait to fly that plane, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. That is a cool airplane. Hangars, there are 4 of these giant hangars, and they're full of all the distributors, manufacturers, ranges from avionics, engine parts, parachutes, supplies, insurance, real estate, you name it. And of course, this area is the food area. Food vendors. They've got barbecue, hot dogs, salads, pizza. Whatever you want. All right, here's the Stink Sport aircraft. We've got 3 different style airplanes. This one's my favorite. Cirrus, looks sort of like a 172 or 152. And the little Sting Sport. All great airplanes. Got a friend of mine that has one of the Sting Sports. Hopefully we can get a flight review on that airplane soon. But boy, I'd sure like to fly this one. Trotex powered, and it's fast, retractable, beautiful airplane, very fuel efficient.